Hello my friends, let's draw Plankton. The shape of Plankton is similar to a bin, so I draw an oval first. Then I draw his big eye. It is not round and circular, it's like an oval. In this painting, Plankton is a little upset. To show this, draw the shape of his lips curved down. He is sitting with his hands on his chest. Now start drawing his leg. Draw a line from here, go up a little bit, and then come down. Draw the same shape for the other leg, but vice versa. Now turn back up and connect the line to his body. Do the same on the other side. And I will fix some of the mistakes. The middle of his body is arched, which makes him look more like a bear. Draw an oval for his pupil, then his fin tentacles. Let's draw a tripod chair under him. It has 3 legs. Make the lines bolder. Erase the remaining lines. Draw a few bubbles next to him. Then paint him. I have already taught you how to use shadows to improve your painting. Imagine that light shines on the object from the right side. So the right side of the object becomes brighter, and lighter colors should be used in this area. He has an eyebrow. This painting is finished. Be with me because I'm going to teach you many things that improve your drawing ability day by day. See you later. Goodbye.